I am Jongin. I'm an economist by training with a degree from Harvard University. I've taught a lot of students in the course of my life. Currently, I'm Dean of KDI School of Public Policy and Management. I'm going to start with this fundamental question: why some countries are more developed and others less so? This is the central question of political economy. Yuval Harari and other historians, political scientists and economists, great thinkers, what we can learn from their research on what are the fundamental forces behind development. How do you create inclusive institutions, and how do you adapt to changing circumstances and conditions? That's the role of leadership, and that is why leaders, particularly government officials, play a central role in national development. Just had a trip to Malaysia actually recently. Malaysia and Korea are very special, and very glad to meet government officials from Malaysia. I am very fond of Malaysia. Koreans love Malaysia, and I hope you get a lot out of this program and have some fun too.